Step 1. Check the oil level and open it. Rear guard cover, unscrew orange. Oil dipstick. Check if the oil stain is skewed in the middle. Upper position, if not appropriate, add. Step 2. Open the fuel tank protective cover. Add gasoline. Step 3. Pull up the air door in a timely manner. Turn the key with a needle to start the machine. After the starting is completed, the air door need to press down. Step 4. Confirm that the emergency stop switch is on. Start status. Button recessed. The air switch is in the closed state. Step 5. Press and hold the button in the circle to turn it on. Remote control can operate the machine. Friendly reminder. 1. Arrow on the machine. The direction indicated is forward. 2. The voltmeter shows 65 volts as normal. 3. Turn off the machine. Turn the key counterclockwise.